Hey guys, welcome back. This is episode 4 of the pizza oven barbecue spit smoker build. So this video is a bit different. It's not a build video. I'm just going to show you what I've done with the barbecue grill area. So the reason there's no build video is because I really didn't know what I was building at the time, or how the mechanism or any of that was going to work. So there was a lot of trial and error, and it would have been too long of a video, and a lot of editing to do. So that's why there's no build video. So here we are. So what I've basically done is installed a grill, and this grill is actually 2 shelves from a refrigerator. So they're stainless steel, which is great. And I'll just show you a couple of things that I've done. So this is a kind of based on an Argentinian style grill, where you can raise and lower the grill above the coals to whatever temperature you desire. So I've got a winch set up, which is hooked up to a bar across the top, and then as you can see we've got a cable coming down which is attached. The grill plate is attached, I don't know if you can see, with rollers which run up and down in these 2 roller guides. Sprays is pretty high up, and then back down. So also what I've done is I've put the spit holder on a hinge, which means when it's in operation, the grill, you can lower the grill all the way down and then put that in, and then the bar will go across. Obviously you're going to need to move the winch out the way, but it's very simple. That just undoes, and there's a screw here to put the spit bar in. And then obviously when you want to use the grill, it just comes back out and sits out like that. And there you have it. There's the barbecue grill part done. Obviously there's probably some refining that needs to be done, but that'll come up later on down the track. So that's it for that video. Thanks for watching. As you can see beside me, the smoker area is still not done, which I'll get to soon. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.